Join me for some hair tips. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm just gonna put on these eyebrows, okay, so I can look like somebody. I have some hair tips coming up for you guys. It's gonna be a good one.
It's your girl Tamara Nicola, and I am here with a quick hair video for you guys. I don't usually do this, right? But I do my own braids sometimes, and I figured that I would show you guys a great way to kind of help maintain your braids as you are living your best braided life. Okay. So I washed my hair this morning and I wanted to share with you guys some of the stuff that I like to use. So I washed it with my Ever Pure Sulfate Free Shampoo. I've been using this shampoo for years. This is by L'Oreal, and it's like the best for me. It adds extra moisture back into my hair, which I really need, because my natural hair, it gets pretty dry, and I have a 5-minute perm in my hair, so I perm my hair once a year. So I like to keep my products, the chemicals, minimal, okay? So I kind of swear by L'Oreal. They're doing a great job with this. Like, it's been really helping my hair to grow too. Just to keep my hair healthy so that it can grow, okay? And then once I wash it, you know, I put it all in the roots first. I don't add any water because you don't want to manipulate your scalp too much and like mess up, you know, the braids and mess up your natural growth and stuff. So I just add the shampoo in bit by bit, and then once that's done, I'll tie it in the back and like take my spray at the sink and like spray and go into the middle, right? I only wash once, but I'll add the shampoo, and then I'll add this conditioner. This really softens the hair. This is by Alba Botanica. I love their lotions. So I use the Plumeria scent. It smells so good, and there's no sulfates, no parabens, no animal testing, okay? Just like the L'Oreal shampoo, there's no sulfate free. I like to keep it more on the simple side, guys, okay? And then I go in after that. I like to add some oils to my hair. I can't have my hair and not my braids in and not add oil to my hair, okay? And it's important to wash your hair weekly. If you can't do it weekly, at least bi-weekly. But I prefer to wash my hair when I have braids in every week, as though I'm washing my real hair, okay? It keeps it clean, and it just keeps those follicles open, okay? So I like to go in after I wash and condition. I like to go in with this argan oil by One and Only. I swear by this argan oil. I've been using this for years to help straighten my hair and just to keep my hair overall healthy, okay? So I'll go in like so, into the roots, bit by bit, and just rub it in and get it in there. I did that already this morning, okay? But I just wanted to show you a little bit. And then it has a really nice fragrance also. And then I like to sometimes top it off with a little tip of the Crystals and Herbs hair oil. You can go to the site. They have so many of them. I use some of them in my bath water, but then I also like to add a little tip in the middle of my hand, because a little bit goes a long way. It's like concentrated. Oh, it smells so good. And I'll like put it towards the ends, add a little sheen, but also add some good smells, okay? And then I believe that that's everything. Oh no, there's this one thing that I do that it's like a must for me, like, because I'm starting to get my grays in, like a good amount of grays are coming in, especially on this side. I use this Quick Cover Root Touch-Up. I actually researched some of these, and some of the more expensive brands have like similar ingredients, so I just went with the cheaper one, and I barely use it, and it's not even touching my scalp really. It's touching, you know, certain strands of the gray hair. So I decided to just go really cheap with this one, and I think this was like under $5 at my local beauty supply shop. I got this from Orange. They have like a few beauty supply shops there that you can choose from. So I just ran in real quick and bought this from where I like to get my braided hair, where I get my hair from. So I would just touch up my root, get the grays, get those little pesky grays. Grays are beautiful though, you know, but I do like when my head looks like more like one color. It just looks more cohesive for me, and I like that look. So that's why I do like to touch up my grays. You know, as my hair is growing out in my braids, I like to touch it up with the root touch up. They might have this on Amazon, so I'll link it for you guys. And this is really, really good. It's by Kiss, actually, okay? The brand is Kiss. This quick cover up is by Kiss. Touch up for gray hairs. Don't forget, this is a must. Just a little dab, right? Just a little tap, because you don't want it to like get stuck to your hair and get caught in there, because that happened to me. So you just want to just dab it lightly, okay? And that's it, guys. That's how I keep my braids fresh and clean and longer. Because I'm keeping it fresh and clean, I can keep them in a little bit longer. But I don't go more than a month and a half with my braids. Typically, a month is good for me. And actually, this is like 3 weeks old. I'm giving it another week, and then I'm gonna have to do a new style or just rock my own hair, right? Give it a breather. So I hope you guys liked this video. I hope this was super helpful. And, you know, I'll link the products so that you can kind of see what's out there and what they cost, and think about, you know, maybe what you can use for your own braided hair care, okay? Because that's important, keeping your hair together, okay? So for a lot of you artists out there who want your protective styles, you wear your protective styles to help life, you know, be easier for you, this tutorial is for you, you know? Let's keep it simple, let's keep it cute, let's keep it fresh, let's keep it clean, let's keep it people friendly. Okay, because we want folks to come to us. We don't want them like, no, nuh-uh. Like, oh no, you smelly, no. Check for the links, okay? Tamara Nicola, I'm signing out, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.